Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a profiled cylinder in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the rectangle for the base plane, and then we have to push it down, triple click, right click, and make group, and then we can make the circle. Start from here by using the radius as we want. Maybe it's just for 1000 millimeter for radius, so the diameter of this circle is 2 meter. Okay, then we have to push it up with push tool, and then we have to click in this plane, and then we have to pull up. We have to push up, and then click in this position. So, and then we have to click this plane, and then click offset, and click on this edge and this edge, and then click, and then we have to click to the inside. Okay, then we can, and then we get the two plane. This is an inner plane and this is outer plane, so we have to push it down about the outer plane. Okay, then um right, like this we have to. Okay, then we can also click this one and offset it inside again. Just click it, just click it. Okay, then we can select this outline. We can select this outline, and then we can select move and click in this position, and then we can click in this position. Okay, so this is a profiled cylinder that I've give tutorial to you, and then we can adjust. We can also adjust for every single um, plane like this to be like this, and then we can click, triple click, and right click and make group, and then we can adjust with another material, maybe with using the metal, and then we can also um, duplicate it to make another variation about this one. Okay, this is we have to move on the top, and then we have to duplicate it, click, and then place on this position. Okay, and then we have to right click and uh, we have to click, right click, and we have to mirror it with using this tool, and then we can mirror by based on the blue axis, just like this. Okay, so we can get about the result. Okay, so we can click in this position, and then we can make it to be one group. We have to click the view toolbar, and then we can select the solid tools. We can select the solid tools and close, and then we can get the solid tools right here. So we have to adjust about the solid tools. We can click this and this, then we can click the outer cell. Okay, this one, this is about the variation of the cylinder, and I want to make the okay clear appearance of it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.